Hey guys, so welcome back to another amazing video. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please subscribe. It is free to subscribe, guys. So I'm in the red light area, and this is the newest project that is ongoing right now when it comes to the road construction. They are trying to fix this intersection that will be leading to um the Japanese Freeway Road and the other side to the Pakopin Junction. So it's such a beautiful work they are doing here. Yeah, so I will keep updating you guys on the process. So if you are new, all you have to do is to subscribe, and then don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can be notified each time your girl upload a new video. So guys, keep watching till the end. This is so beautiful. And by the way, they have dressed the marketers behind the bar wire fence. Yeah, and the police have to stand in real light to control the crowd. Yeah, so it's something else, but we will get there, guys. We are getting there, okay?